All right, so now I'm going to show you what it actually looks like when students go in and answer your polls that you've already created in Slido. So in order for them to answer the poll, they would bring up sli.do on a web browser or on their phone. They come to the home page of Slido where you have this little box here that says joining an event, and so they would enter the event code that you would give them. So the event code that I made up for our poll here is just polling newsletter, and they join. All right, so it will load up to the question, and you will see that we've created this one question. Up here in the corner, it'll show you how many people have answered it so far. So right now, obviously it's 0 since it just was live. So now the question, are you going to use Slido in your class? Well, yes, I am. Click that, click send. And then you will see that it automatically adds your response into the general results. So for students, they'll be able to see the bar graph change based on what their answer is as it changes the number of who answers whatever choice that you've given them, which is really cool because it's a way of making it interactive for them. Now, there is also another feature that I'll show you because you can see it's available here for students, and that's the Q&A. You can actually ask the owner of the event a question, which will then be, fed into their account. So this is an option, although it might be something that you want to turn off if you are using it sort of as a part of a synchronous Zoom lecture, just because there's already so many options for them to ask questions. Why add in another one that you'll have to check? It might be too confusing. If you are using it as part of an asynchronous learning experience and you want to just give them another chance to ask you a question maybe about the subject of the poll itself, you can enable that and they can send questions through Slido to you too. And that is what the polls look like from the student angle.